In this video, I will show you how to set up OneDrive and back up your files on Windows 11. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open OneDrive. So on OneDrive, sign in into your account. So make sure that you have a Microsoft account. Now, once you're signed into your account, you can go ahead and upload the files that you want to keep on OneDrive. So just go ahead and set your account up. So as you can see, as I try to drag this file into OneDrive, it doesn't upload the photos. So I'll try to upload that in the photos section instead. So I'll try to simply drag that, and as you can see, it cannot be dragged to upload. So to upload, you'll need to click on this create or upload button at the top left of your screen and click on files upload to upload your files. Click on the file and then click on the open button to start uploading the file. In here, you'll be able to see if the file is currently uploading. So you'll find that at the bottom middle of your screen. And once we reload this page, we'll be able to find my uploaded file. So if you want to sync and back up your file, simply just upload that into your OneDrive and access it anywhere on any device you want. And that's basically how you can set up OneDrive and back up your files. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.